Welcome back to my channel. They say, your hair is your crown. But what happens when that crown starts falling, strand by strand? When you see your brush full of hair every morning. When your confidence slowly breaks with every hair strand you lose. You try expensive shampoos, oils, even Minoxidil, but nothing truly works. What if nature had a remedy, far more powerful than Minoxidil, and completely chemical-free? Today, we'll reveal the secret power of rosemary, proven to regrow hair naturally and bring life back to your scalp. Reason for hair fall. Hair fall doesn't happen overnight. It begins deep inside the scalp. The real culprits? DHT hormone that blocks hair follicles. Poor blood circulation in the scalp. Deficiency of vitamins like B12, D3, iron, and zinc. Stress, pollution, and harsh chemicals that destroy hair roots. All these weaken your follicles until your hair becomes thin, dull, and lifeless. That's when most people turn to Minoxidil, a common medical solution. But here's the truth, it only works while you use it. Stop applying it, and your hair starts falling again. Minoxidil versus rosemary. In recent studies, scientists discovered something incredible. Rosemary oil performed just as effectively as Minoxidil in promoting new hair growth, but without the side effects like itching, dryness, or dependency. While Minoxidil stimulates blood flow artificially, rosemary naturally boosts circulation, unclogs follicles, and reduces DHT buildup. It's not just a treatment, it's nourishment, rejuvenation, and protection in one plant. Benefits of rosemary. Rosemary strengthens weak roots, stimulates dormant hair follicles, reduces dandruff, prevents premature graying, and makes each strand thicker, shinier, and stronger. And today, you'll learn 3 powerful rosemary remedies: oil, water, and hair butter, each designed to regrow your hair naturally and restore your scalp health completely. Woman getting massage. DIY 1 rosemary hair oil. Ingredients: rosemary leaves, aloe vera gel, whole black pepper, coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, rosemary essential oil. Method: heat 1 cup coconut oil on low flame. Add rosemary leaves, aloe vera gel, and black pepper. Let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes until the oil turns light green. Cool completely and strain. Add olive oil, castor oil, and rosemary essential oil. Massage this oil into your scalp twice a week to increase blood flow and regrow thicker hair. DIY 2 rosemary water. Ingredients: 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons rosemary leaves, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 capsule or 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 6 to 8 drops rosemary essential oil. Method: boil rosemary leaves, cloves, and fenugreek in 2 cups of water for 10 to 12 minutes. Let it cool and strain. Add vitamin E oil and rosemary essential oil. Store in a spray bottle and mist your scalp daily for stronger roots and reduced hair fall. DIY 3 rosemary hair butter. Ingredients: 1/2 cup moringa leaves, 2 tablespoons rosemary leaves, 10 curry leaves, 2 hibiscus flowers, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons shea butter. Method: grind moringa, rosemary, curry leaves, hibiscus, and fenugreek into a fine paste. Heat coconut and olive oil on low flame, add the paste, and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Cool completely, strain after 2 hours, and add this infused oil to shea butter. Blend with a hand blender until smooth and creamy. Apply this butter at night as a deep nourishment mask. It locks in moisture, repairs damaged hair, and boosts regrowth. Chemical treatments like Minoxidil give temporary hope, but rosemary gives you permanent healing. It stops hair fall, restores lost shine, and brings your natural volume back. Because the best hair growth doesn't come from bottles. It comes from nature. Try this rosemary miracle, and let your hair fall in love with life again. Thank you for watching.